In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate the hazards of rushing to minimize newly discovered camera issues before they've been fully characterized and understood. I'm currently in production on a comprehensive N-Log exposure tutorial that I plan to publish here on YouTube. While working on the exposed to the right portion of the tutorial, where I'll be describing how to maximize your N-Log exposures to minimize noise, I ran into the Z6 III's flickering issue with out-of-camera footage with no processing applied using a straight N-Log rec to 709 conversion. And I'm not talking about crazy low light or extreme ISO like it's been characterized elsewhere. This is ISO 3200 N-Log footage, intentionally exposed to minimize the visibility of noise, yet it manifests a flickering issue. I wasn't planning on doing any more videos about this, but when I ran into it again, I thought it was important to share, both to provide a new data point on how it can occur for rather normal shooting situations, and also as a caution for those who would rush to minimize issues before they've been fully characterized and understood. This is the timeline for my N-Log eTTR tutorial I'm working on. It starts with an ISO 800 shot metered exactly how Nikon would advise, with the midtones at 35%, which you can see here with the zebras and waveforms on the HDMI monitor. I then demonstrate the technique of eTTR using ISO, where I increase the ISO from 800 to 3200. It's on this footage I ran into the issue. You can see I was capturing the HDMI output with overlays at the same time I was recording the video in camera as part of my tutorial setup. I'll play you the footage now, which again is a straight N-Log to Rec 709 conversion without any processing whatsoever. In the video, it'll show the transition from 800 to 3200 as part of the eTTR workflow. Look for the flickering in the column above the 10-pound blue barbell. Whether or not you see it might depend on your viewing device and YouTube's compression.